Welcome. In front of me is an HMD Fusion, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now you're looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle, so let's see if I can find it. Oh, there we go. Do Not Disturb. Once you see it, don't tap on it just yet. You want to hold it the first time around, as this quickly takes you to the settings. Here you can check out how it's set by default and customize it if it doesn't fit your needs. I'm going to talk about only a couple of the options visible right here, which one would be the schedule mode. This allows you to have a fully automatic schedule, so you don't have to do it yourself. The phone will turn it on and off at a specified day of the week and start and end time. So that's one way. Now if you're planning to use schedule, just make sure that it is toggled on in here like so. Going back, we also have duration for quick settings. This is a great option for people that want to manually enable it and disable it maybe. So when you tap on it, you can see default option is until you turn off. So that means that when you tap on the toggle to toggle it on, it will run indefinitely in the background until you turn it off yourself. I personally will tend to forget about this, so I like to set it on a timer. 4 hours seems to be good enough time to cover whatever I will need, plus some time extra. So when I select this option and confirm it, whenever I tap on a toggle manually, it will run for the specified 4 hours, at which point it's going to turn itself off. And if I remember about it, I can turn it off before the timer runs out. So I have basically still the option to do it myself. But it gives me the peace of mind that if I forget about it, the phone will remember it. And last option is the ask every time. So it gives you the two options, either until you turn it off or the time option every time you tap on a toggle. Personally, not a fan of it, but if you like it, you can choose that. And let's close this, find the toggle once more, and we can now simply tap on it. With the timed option, it does give me the timer right here, so you can see that it's going to run till 9:40 p.m. As it's 5:40 p.m. So after that time, it's automatically going to turn itself off. But like I said, if I tap on a toggle myself, I can turn it off before that timer runs out. So there we go. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.